with our neighbors. And the planner, very serious. And we have a guest today. There! Our guest from Maui. Maui Waui, Gladys' brother and the girlfriend.
What's the name?
KL and
Belpo.
Belpo. No, it's KL and Bell. I don't have to introduce the one person behind. Right there.
Yeah, okay.
So we are heading to Vancouver, Canada. And I don't know where our stops because, you know, that is our planner's job. I'm just kidding. Oh, we made it to Canada! Okay, so let's smell the air from Canada.
Smell the air from Canada.
It's okay.
You only come and go when you feel like it. Been at it for a while, but you won't commit. This inconsistent love is messing with my head. And it just ain't fair. You know I can't fight it. Wanna put my hands all over your body. Ooh, and if the stars don't shine, yeah. And if the moon fell down tonight, I would be.
I fell asleep on the road. We are now here at the gondola. That gondola takes you all the way up right there to the mountain. Heading inside now, but we need to use the bathroom. Really excited.
This is not the only peak that it goes up. Once it hits this first peak, there's at least 5 to 6 more peaks going up. It's literally high up there. It's like, I would say maybe 15,000 feet up there.
What?
Yeah, it's high. It's super high.
So what was that? It's foggy?
Foggy. It's foggy upstairs.
Okay.
So I checked the weather because they have a live cam up there. Yeah, and then she said that it's foggy up there.
Oh, wow.
The ulala ni shave eyes.
We could have brought the flavoring.
Look. Oh my god!
There, look, the tanker ship. Is that a tanker ship?
Not even gonna look.
No. Oh my god.
Hit this first peak, you think it's over, it goes higher.
It's very... That's the suspension bridge. And you go up there. It's very foggy. Wow. What a wonderful world. Wow, look at that. Oh my god, you guys, I'm gonna share this view with you all because I'm in awe. Times like this, I wish my family is here, especially my mom. I wish, Ma, you experienced this with me. Snow everywhere. Wow. Mount Cloudburst, Mount Thestes, Mount Lapworth, Mount Murchison, Wrinkle Rock. That's the mountains of Howe Sound Fjord. The reasons why I like to travel, because I learn a lot. I get to see places and not just see them in books, but in real life. Like right now, I haven't seen anything like this in my life. So yeah, such a beautiful scenery, you know? It's nice. It's really nice. What can you say?
I have nothing to say, but it is beautiful.
Beautiful. I'm in the bridge right now. Bridge, bridge, bridge. Bridge, bridge, bridge. The lighting is really on point for vlogging.
Okay, I'm gonna have to do something.
Okay? Yeah, come on.
It's not. I'm just gonna look
Let it
forward.
snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Here now, we took that suspension bridge right there, going to this side. Wonderful, beautiful, amazing. And then there's kids right here doing their field trip. And then look, Gladys right there playing the snow. What can you say?
It's cold.
How do you feel though?
Nice of you. Yeah. Maui, no more this.
Maui, no more this. Look at that. They're still on Christmas vibes.
Spirit trip.
Look, this Christmas tree. This pretend Christmas tree right there. Pretend Christmas tree. Look, Ian's shoes is really fit for this.
That's why I
Feel my nose anymore. It's too cold. Alright. It's my first time hiking in the snow. Which one do you guys prefer? Walking in the beach or walking in the snow? It's very slippery. Yeah.
Slippery.
This is so cute. Resourceful.
Balls over this way.
My God.
It's too cold.
So how do you feel?
It's cold. Talaga. I cannot.
My
Oh my God.
sip-on
And you
is
know-
like dropping.
I can't. Oh, it's very soft. So
Yeah, it's like fresh
my
snow.
feet is lubong-lubong on the snow.
This is nice.
Shit! Oh crap!
Oh my gosh.
Look, it's so deep. Wingit! He's so crazy. He just wants to show. Okay, sorry. He just wants to show how deep the snow is, and he got stuck there. I love that. I mean, it's so bad for. I'm so mean for laughing at him, but it's his fault. See? Is it really wet? Huh? Look, you have
It's okay.
all over your shoes. More adventures to come.
Yeah.
So come along.
Okay, look that face.
Come
Prison.
along.
I'm like
It's like thinking.
thinking, oh my gosh, I'm hungry. Welcome to Canada. It's freaking cold in here.
Alright, so we are at this samurai sushi store. And this is what I got. I got beef miso ramen. Ian got karaage box. We are at Whistler Village. We just found a parking and we're now here. We're gonna walk around and see, but it's really cold. It's just so cool. Like, I don't know if you can see. You can't. Up there, you see that white thing out there? That white. People are skiing all the way up. That's so cool. I wish I can ski. Man, I don't even know how to do rollerblades. Alright guys, so we're in Lahaina right now. The sun is brightly shining, you know. Na Molokai, Kaholave, Molokini.
It does look like though over there.
Yeah, look, it's so nice. Welcome to Hawaii, ne? Aloha! Show. The This is what traffic can do to us. Yeah, yeah. So crazy. What you trying to do? We got stuck in traffic, but now we started moving. We got stuck for about 30 minutes, but you know, it's all cool because we can dance it out in the car with my squad right here.
Bam.
Right there. So now it started to move. So just an update, we're still stuck. It's not moving, it's not going anywhere. So with that, we're gonna start singing to you. I know it breaks my heart, moving in the city with a broken car. Ain't never getting over.
Yeah, Dr. Moore, right? Yeah.
Traffic, yeah, yeah.
There you go.
Woo! Oh my god. Oh my goodness. The adventure continues. So, see you later when we get to Vancouver, okay?
Are you drunk? So energetic.
Because that's what it is.